George, we're talking today about the cost of moving using a professional versus do-it-yourself.
There's a lot of differences, and one is professional versus do-it-yourself. When you do it yourself, you are limiting yourself to insurance. Whether you have somebody come in and you have friends over, God forbid something happened to them during the move, you don't have specific insurance for it. Whether you're renting the home or you're buying a new home, if something happens to the rental, most likely you will be out your deposit and then anything else that goes into repairing of the home. Also, when you do it yourself, you go out, you get a rental truck. There's a cost for that. You have to fuel up that rental truck. You have to get insurance on the rental truck, and that's just for the truck itself. Then you have to buy the pizza, get the beer, get all the beverages that goes along with the move for your friends and family who show up. And most of the time you have, it takes about a day or two when you do it yourself, if
Sure
not
does.
more. So you have to look at the full cost of your time as well. It's not monetary. Time is valuable.
What is the cost? Let's talk about
So-
1,500 square foot home, 3-bed home, 1-bath home. Just to give people ballpark, what would be the cost to move something like that, and
So-
how long would it take?
So the rough idea of that is normally something like that would cost about $1,000 change.
Okay.
That is for 3 men, and our 3-man rate would be $125 per hour. And that cost does include the truck, all 3 men, the proper insurance to make sure that if something happens to the guys on site, they're covered. They will never come after you for your homeowners. We have the insurance for that. If something happens in the truck during transport, that is covered. If something happens on site with the home, it's covered, all for $125 per hour, and that's for all 3 men in the truck. But again, every job is different, so always call, get an estimate over the phone. If there's a trigger that pops up, we come out and do a free evaluation. Ask other companies when you're out there and you're getting your quote. If you don't feel comfortable with them over the phone, get them to come out and do an on-site estimate. If you don't feel comfortable there, do not use them.